the consistency is perfect.
What's up, guys? We're back with another video. I apologize for the laundry. I'm gonna be going to dance class. Oh shit, I'm stiff. And then we're gonna be doing some sick ass shit, guys. We're gonna be cooking up some cheesecake, all right? So get ready, guys. Cheesecake day.
Shin just told me to get to work. So let's get to work.
6, 7. Boom, tap, boom, boom, tap, boom, tap, boom, boom.
Oh shit.
Tap, boom, boom.
Oh shit.
I want it to look good. You know what I mean? I want it to look good, and we all, that's the goal. We all want it to look good.
Of course. Nah, Shackstar's here. Okay, we're leaving dance class now, guys.
Get it out of here. We all know JP.
We all know.
We all know JP. Federico, say hi to the vlog. The JP vlogs. Federico, you're on the JP vlogs. Okay, so what are we making today? What do we need?
We need fish, knives, and sponges.
Huh? Why would we need those things to make a cheesecake? Okay, guys, we have to go. Oh my god, guys, check this out. It's literally like misty as fuck. We're about to make the cheesecake, and we have to get. We gotta get some tomatoes, mushrooms, and eggs for some reason. Yo, guys, what's up? We're gonna be concierge today. We got the concierge view. I can have a sticker. Well, oh.
But alright.
We got the giraffe, guys.
Sorry.
If you know,
when you get to finish the shot.
I don't know what to do with this. Okay, I'm gonna go. Are you looking at a cheesecake tutorial?
Yes, I am.
Hey guys, so we're gonna be making a cheesecake now. Okay, are we getting started? What are we doing?
Basque cheesecake.
What?
A Basque cheesecake.
Damn. Everybody, welcome Federico to the vlog. Hi, Federico. What's this?
So you have one job.
One job.
Yes. Take the baking paper.
Sure. So, what's going on here?
I'm cutting the mushrooms.
The mushrooms I got?
So there's some mushrooms here,
Yeah.
and then here's some tomatoes.
No.
Yeah.
Where? I don't see
Here,
them.
can you take the baking paper?
Baking the baking paper. Woo! We've got the baking paper, and now we're all set.
Why is it red?
What's red?
The egg. Is that okay?
Shit, you know what happened?
Just hold it.
It is. You haven't hold this. Okay, oh, what's this? What's this? What
This
that?
is a peach.
That's a peach.
Yeah,
How is that a peach?
it's a peach, but you know it's like it's a secret peach.
It's a secret peach.
Can you wait? I can't open it, please.
Can you open it? Can you open it? Unbelievable. There you go. There
Okay,
you go.
thank
See?
I asked you like 5 times earlier. Can you grab the baking paper?
Yeah, I did. It's right here.
Ah.
I even made a whole show of it.
I'll hold this one.
Okay.
Can you do it?
Okay.
Okay, they say to put 2, 1 and 1.
Wow. So that's the cream cheesecake.
The Basque cheesecake.
Number 6. Place the tray in the preheated oven and bake for around 40 to 45 minutes. Make sure you do not use the... You didn't make sure, did you?
Oh, it's already hot. It was like 10 seconds in the fucking oven and it's already hot.
Yeah, it's an oven. Hey, it's going in! Wait, guys, so we're done?
So basically, yeah, the Basque cheesecake is not about length, about, you know, it doesn't take time. It takes you like the perfect recipe apparently, like the right amount of ingredients, the right temperature in the oven.
Okay, guys, that is it for the cheesecake then. How long does it take?
Roughly 40-45 minutes probably.
Oh, damn.
And he has to be bubbly, like he has to jiggle, like boom 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 boom.
Like boom, boom, boom. Gotta get
Well,
that boom, boom, boom.
See, gotta get that. Again, it's about consistency. so it doesn't match the color. It could be like too brown or no brown enough. It's about the consistency to understand whether it's perfectly cooked or not.
So you're giving like a life lesson to people right now.
Yes, exactly.
It's all about consistency, guys. Whatever you do, whatever you're doing out there, if you're not consistent, it's not gonna work out. It's not gonna work out, right?
Don't be like you.
You!
No, you.
No, you! Stay consistent, guys. Get on the grind. Let's go. Okay, guys, it's ready.
I'm not sure. We need to check.
Let's go. Boom! Boom! What's that?
Wiggle.
Super jelly.
Okay, wait. 5 more minutes, maybe. I think. Maybe.
I don't know. Time, guys. It's time. Oh, shit! So now it just like has to get cold.
Yeah, and then it's gonna get flat.
You can always try this recipe at home. I don't know what the recipe is.
I think
But-
there's something.
But I mean, Federico said most of it, anyways.
Yeah.
So you okay?
Yeah. I think. Wait, there is something.
Okay, guys, we are not waiting until tomorrow morning. We're just gonna go ahead and try it now, because we just can't freaking wait, man.
It could be a fail, you know that, yeah. It can be like super shit.
Yeah, well, we're about to find out now.
Ooh, I think the consistency is perfect.
Yeah.
I think so. Okay, we were meant to wait until tomorrow, but we couldn't wait.
Okay, let's try this. Okay, ready?
Wait, I'm ready. Cheers. Okay.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It just like melts in your mouth.
Mm-hmm.
I don't really remember what I did to help, but
Nothing. Let me help you remember.
I remember using the.
You did help, yeah. You did that, you vlogged.
So guys, that is the end of the video. Woo! Do you have any final words?
Until the next cake.
Until the next cake. See you guys next time.